June 12, paper 1-1. The first two terms of an AP are 1 and cos square x. Show that the sum of the first 10 terms can be expressed in the form of a minus b sine square x, where a and b are constants to be found. So firstly, for a part, if I'm going to write down the data here, so the value of a we have it's 1, and second term is cos square x. So with the help of these two terms, you can find out the difference, and difference is what? It will be second term minus first term, right? After that, it says the sum of the first 10 terms, so it's n is equals to 10. The working formula to find out the sum of n terms is n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. We need to place all the values here. The value of n we have it's 10, so s10 is equals to 10 divided by 2. A is 1, 2, that will be 2, plus n is 10, 10 minus 1, 9, and d is what? D is cos square x minus 1. So we need to apply an identity here. So we know that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1, right? If I shift 1 on the left side, it will be cos square x minus 1 is equals to sine x. On the right side, it will be minus sine square x. So this whole expression is basically equals to minus sine square x. So I'm going to place it. So 10 upon 2 is 5, 2 plus 9, and cos square x minus 1, it's minus sine square x. Alright, now we need to multiply. So 5 2s are 10 minus 5 9s are 45 sine square x. If you compare it with the given form, that is a minus b sine square x, so we can find the value of a, that is equals to 10, and b is equals to 45. That is your answer. Alright, in part B it says that the first two terms of a geometric progression are 1 and 1 over 3 tan square theta respectively, where theta should be greater than 0 and lesser than 1 upon 2 pi. Part 1, find the set of values of theta for which the progression is convergent. Now first thing is very important, that what is convergent? Convergent means that the value of r should be lesser than 1. Alright, and if we talk about the terms here, so first two terms are known, that is 1 and 1 over 3 tan square theta. Alright, for convergent it says r should be lesser than 1. R is basically the ratio of second term divided by first term. So 1 over 3 tan square theta should be lesser than 1, or we can say that tan square theta should be lesser than 3, because 3 is dividing on the left side. When you shift on the right side, it will multiply with 1. So applying root on both sides, so that will be tan theta is lesser than root 3. Alright, now we need to find out the value of theta, so that will be equals to tan inverse of root 3. So we can say that theta and the sign of lesser than is lesser than pi over 3, and theta is greater than 0. That is my answer. The main part is lesser than pi over 3. Alright, for second part it says find exact value of the sum to infinity when theta is 1 over 6 pi. So working formula for sum to infinity is a divided by 1 minus r. We are going to place the values here. So a is what? A is 1 as given in the question, divided by 1 minus r. R is what? It's 1 over 3 tan square theta. Alright, and the value of theta is given, that is 1 over 6 pi. So I'm going to place 1 over 6 pi here. Now we need to simplify this equation. It's 1 divided by 1 minus 1 over 3. So we need to find the value of tan 1 over 6 pi and its square of it, which is equals to 0.334. Now we need to simplify the expression to find the value of s infinity. So the sum to infinity is equals to 1.124, and that is your answer.